Here we go. Back on another property here. Looks like somebody pissed off this manager. So as soon as this car passes, we're gonna go back there and hook it. Underneath. Take the ball all the way down. Always run these jacks all the way down, and it keeps from tearing the jack up. We're going to clear. We're gonna barely clear. Anyway, that's the way it goes. I got this thing. I got to put one more strap on it, and I can safely move the truck. Hello. It got towed. You got to talk to the manager. You go out here to the office. You can talk to the manager if you want, but
I am apartment 308.
Well, it was parked in 2 parking places.
I don't know speak English.
Okay.
What?
Let me check. Hey, it was in 2 spaces.
Oh, okay.
Somebody else. Yeah, see, you had it parked here. And parked here.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody else in this space.
One.
I know you got one. Somebody else got the other one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Que como aquí uno puede comprar su espacio, entonces comprar dos espacios, entonces si uno se va por, si uno pone un carro que no es.
Do you want to ask her? Does she want to pay it out? You could. Let's go talk to the office. Let's talk to her. Maybe she'll let you pay the drop fee and keep it here. But
Él te dijo que si quieres ir a la oficina con él para decirle si quieres comprar un espacio para dejarlo ahí hasta que venga el señor.
Only one space. My baby is pediatry.
My brother needs to go to the doctor.
Yes.
Okay. Let's. Okay.
What can she do?
You can pay the drop. I think you can pay the drop fee unless the office says no. Our trailers are allowed.
Oh.
I'm not sure if trailers are allowed here. Hey, make it fast. Let's go to down here to the office. It'll take 1 minute. Let's go to the office. Un momento. Let's go. Let's talk to her. Okay. Let's go down there and talk to her. Okay.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hey there.
La trailer es mía. ¿Qué trailer?
Oh, y ya la tiene arriba, no puede estar en este lugar.
Está diciendo que si lo podía bajar ya.
There's no trailers allowed here?
Huh?
No trailers on property, is that?
Yeah,
Or-
no trailers. No.
okay. I didn't. That's what I told her. I didn't tell her I had to release it. I said we got to talk to you.
Yeah,
I didn't know.
Las trailers no se pueden parquear en la propiedad.
Oh, ya.
Okay. Let her get a picture. She can come get it. It's like 3 miles. It's not that far.
Sí, dice que va a tener que ir por
Yeah, take a picture of that. Yeah.
¿Y dónde se...? Ah,
Yeah, take a photo. Yeah.
Hey, I got a question. And so if you take the thing and we can come anytime?
Yeah, 9 to 5. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
¿Qué dijo? ¿Me está defendiendo?
No, dice.
Anyway, this property here, they don't allow trailers. What happens with trailers, a lot of times there's a lot of hills on this property here. If they've ever had a trailer roll and hit something, there's a lot of hills on this property. You know, every property is a little bit different, but this one's it's not a flat property. It's got a lot of hills. If you got a trailer and it could easily roll, it could easily roll downhill, hit a kid, it could do anything, hit cars. Some properties are different. This one, they've decided to not have trailers here. I've towed them out of here before, and it may be partly because they don't have enough parking for trailers and cars, but nonetheless, they know that there's no trailers allowed, and her husband knew it. And he was double parked. He was taking up somebody else's parking place with a trailer, and he probably thought he could park it overnight, a day or two, whatever, and it wouldn't matter. And it probably wouldn't have mattered, except he was in 2 parking places. He took up somebody else's parking spot and also took his own parking spot up. So that was probably the biggest problem, is somebody else called and complained about it, or he might have had time to get it out of here. That's just how it goes.
Please leave your message for...
Anyway, ain't nobody at the leasing center. I'm in Southwest Atlanta. Today's Saturday, so everybody's home. But they called in an impound down here. I'm not gonna go yank the car until I can find somebody that's gonna sign my ticket. I just called the guy. He's a security officer, or he's a police officer or something, but I'm not gonna yank the car and then be sitting in the truck or driving around trying to find somebody to sign my ticket. When I got somebody that can sign my ticket, I'm gonna hook it and I'm gonna get signed out and get back on the road. This ain't the kind of area that you want to be hanging around in with a car on the back of your truck that you just yanked. Anyway, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna I don't believe anybody's at the office, and oh, here's calling back, I think. Hello.
Hello?
Hey, how you doing? Hey, yes sir, this is the tow guy.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
What's going on, man? I just was gonna got a car in building, and I just wanted to make sure I got somebody to sign out before I hook it.
You can text me and I can agree to it like they did last time. Is nobody's at the front office?
No, I don't see any cars at the office.
Is it a black? Did you see a couple of black cars in the back?
Looks
You
like
gotta
it.
go to the back door.
Oh, you gotta go. Okay, all right. Well, I'll check.
You gotta go to the back door.
Yep. This thing's abandoned. What's the story on this thing? Just
I don't know, man. I was just told by the owner of the apartment complex, man, we gotta get it sold.
okay. All right, you got it. That'll work. Well, we will tow it. I'm knocking on the door, make sure somebody can sign. I just don't want to be hanging around and not be able to get a signature. That's all. You got it. Hey, I'll knock. Yeah. If I can't get anybody, I'll text you back. If I don't get anybody, I'll get you to do an email authorization. If I can't get anybody to the door,
Yeah.
that'll work.
Yeah, just text me.
Okay.
I mean, the front office, your front office user just text me, and I just respond back saying, yes, sir, it's been clear.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, sir.
All right, boss.
Yeah, you have a good one. Thing about doing these kind of towing in certain areas, and people from tow guys in other cities, they know how this works. You get in the wrong area and you get caught up in a situation, the police might not show up for 20 minutes. And if you get hung up like that, you can get hurt. You can get hurt sure enough. So you gotta be real careful doing this kind of work in certain areas. But I'm gonna go back here and hook this car. And they said it's gotta go. We'll see what kind of controversy comes out of it, but it might not be nothing. It may just be an abandoned car. It could be a stolen car. Any number of things could have happened with this vehicle. Or there could be somebody living in the car. You can't never tell. Either way, we're gonna find out real quick. Just a minute. SJH. And right there, there's my car. Should be wearing a bulletproof vest down here in this area. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna slap my vest on just in case before I hook this car. Give me a half-ass chance, man. This is not a nice area, that's for sure. Somebody's honking. Yeah, I got that ticket signed out. There was a girl in the office signed a ticket. But it is what it is, man. Now, there ain't no question about this area right here. A lot of gang activity, drug activity, a lot of shootings, pretty regular.